Hi guys! For today's video, ipaprank ko ang aking husband. So, pagkagising ko ngayong umaga, lumabas ako sa backyard and then nakahuli ako ng dragonfly, yung tutube. Nakahuli ako, takot na takot siya guys sa tutube. Tingnan mo, pangit-pangit ang mukha ko. Hindi ko in-expect na gagawin ko to today kasi hindi ko talaga pinalano. Bigla lang kasing may dumapo na tutube dun sa bakod and then hinahuli ko siya. So ngayon takot na takot siya sa mga insects, sa mga ipis, sa maliliit na bagay, takot na takot siya. So ngayon i-prank ko siya. Ito yung tutube. Sa kusina siya guys, nagluluto siya. So ito guys, ayan. Ilalagay ko siya dito. Ipaprank ko siya. Ipapasok ko yung kamay niya, papahula ko sa kanya. Bahala na kayo kung ano yung itsura ko. Importante. Nakaprank na naman ako sa kanya today. Ayun o, ayun o. Takot na takot yun siya. Never pa siya nakahawak nito. Pero nung maliliit kami, ito ginagawa namin laruan. Nakatingin ako lagi sa pinto, baka bigla siyang pumasok. Bilisan ko para baka mahuli pa niya ako. Dadalhin ko siya sa kitchen. Parang namatay. Hindi na siya gumagalaw. Parang namatay. Ay, gumagalaw siya. Saglit lang. Isentro ko muna. Ayusin ko muna camera sa kusina. Mag-pretend ako. Ayusin ko muna. Lagay ko muna yung maayos yung camera. Saglit lang. Oh, smells good here. I like the smell.
What do you want? You want some yogurt?
No, I'm gonna have my... Did you prepare my coffee? No, not yet. Okay, I'm gonna have coffee. Then, close your eyes. I have something for you.
What?
Close your eyes.
Okay.
Come on. Close your eyes first. Come on here, right there.
Oh, at the table?
Yeah.
Oh,
Come on, follow me.
my eyes are closed.
Okay. Making sure that your eyes is closed, okay? Like that. Just relax.
My breakfast is getting cold.
Hold on. It's getting cold. Don't watch it. I'm gonna put your hands here and guess only, okay? Okay?
Okay.
Okay, okay. Follow. Don't be stiff. Okay. Put your hands inside.
No. What is that?
This is glass. Oh my goodness. Put your... still close.
A towel.
A towel, right?
Yeah.
Hold it. Hold this one.
Okay, alright.
Okay.
Wow, that's a big thing.
Big thing. Okay. Put your hands inside of this thing.
How am I supposed to put my hands?
I put my hands. Follow my hands.
Okay,
follow my hands. Okay.
Alright. You better not put no spider in there.
No! Oh, you put spider. I don't hold the spider. Okay.
You do hold the spider. Oh!
Oh my goodness.
Oh.
Where do you get the spider?
Wait. It's nothing live, right?
No.
Okay.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
My eyes are closed.
But face up like this. You want me to... If you don't follow me, I will gonna put blindfold in your eyes.
Alright. My eyes been closed. So
Pull up. Okay. Put your hands inside of this. Hey. Okay, I will not put the towel so that will not you get scared.
Alright. Is it at the bottom?
Yes, the bottom. Hold it.
Oh.
Not say, did you feel it? Nothing. Right.
No, I don't know.
My goodness.
You
Go. Hold it down. Okay. Hold it.
It's something wet.
Come on, something wet.
Oh, what is that?
No. Hold it. about the bottle? What did you send there?
Where is it?
Come on here. Right here.
Oh, no! Oh! No way! No way!
Oh my goodness, he's very scared, guys, for the insect, spider, cockroach, every little insect. He is so scared. Come on here.
Get it out.
Come on here. My throat is dry. It seems like, oh my goodness.
I'm coming back. Get it out.
So guys, takot na takot siya lumapit dito. Ayan na. Come on here.
No. No.
What's that? What's that?
Huh?
What's those? Huh?
Where is it?
What's those?
The dragonfly. Oh, you are toast. I'm getting you are toast.